What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be pretty fast. Pretty much going to be answering a question that I kind of get a lot, and that question is, how long does a Toro battery last? And I usually tell people, I kind of guess and say anywhere from like 40-50 minutes, but I never actually time myself. So today I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to go around to a few lawns today, time myself. Every time I use a battery, I'm going to be timing it and see how long it actually lasts. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, a couple things before we actually get started. The battery I'm going to be testing is this one right here. It's the 60 volt, 2 amps, and this is 108 watt hours, because I believe there's different ones of this. So this is the battery I'm going to be testing. And before we test, I just want to double check it's fully charged. And there we go guys, fully charged. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're here at the first lawn. So I'm gonna go ahead and mow it, and then I'm only gonna time myself when I use either the string trimmer or the leaf blower. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, here we go, starting with the trimmer. Still fully charged. Let's go. Next, release blowing. Battery's still fully charged. Let's go. Okay guys, now we're going to move to the back. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to time myself only when I use the leaf blower or the string trimmer. Alright guys, we're done with our first lawn. Let's check out the battery. And so far, yeah, we're still good. I still have 3 lines, so let's off to the next lawn. Done with lawn number 2. Let's check our battery. And now we're about 50% left. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, here we are guys, the third lawn. It's gonna be this one. And I'm also gonna do this one right over here, the neighbors. Let's get started. Alright guys, so now we're in the backyard. Let's check out our battery life. Ooh, I'm down to 1. Let's see if I'm able to finish this. Let's get started guys. Alright, here we go guys. See if we can able to finish this lawn. As you can see, oh, now it says I have 2, so I might be able to finish this. Let's get started. guys, just finished the back. See how much is left. Okay, now there is one, but it was showing me one earlier and then it said 2, so I don't know. But it seems like it's for sure this time 1. Alright, I'm gonna try to do one more yard, guys, see what happens. Alright guys, let's see if we can finish this one up. Let's do it at one light. Let's go. I think I finally died, guys. Alrighty guys, so it looks like the battery finally died. So I'm gonna edit everything I recorded so far, add up all the time, and I'll give you all the times, break it down for you. Alrighty guys, so I finally added up all the times and everything, and if I did it correctly, turns out I was kind of way off. I was telling people about 30-40 minutes. This only lasted me 17 minutes, guys. So there's a couple of things that go into effect, I guess. Number one, I guess I should have mentioned also, is this battery is a year old. So I'm not sure if that's what causing 17 minutes. It might be slightly more, but honestly, I don't think an extra 15-20 minutes more, to be honest. Like I said, it is a year old, and also depends on how you use the tools. For example, the string trimmer, the trigger, if you go full speed or just half speed, or if you lightly touch it. Same thing for the leaf blower. The leaf blower has like the little blue button on top that makes it go full blast. So if you use that, obviously you can get less time probably, and if you don't use it as much, you can get more time. But yeah guys, I was pretty surprised. For some reason, to me, it just seemed like it lasted 30-40 minutes for me, but turns out it's not. It's only like half that time. So yeah, total time 17 minutes, like I said, guys. If it's a brand new battery, it might last a little longer for you, but this battery is only a year old, so I'm not sure how much more that would make a difference or not. But yeah guys, hope you guys liked this quick little video, and please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.